everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to redeem codes in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. To redeem a code in Mobile Legends, launch open the Mobile Legends Bang Bang app on your device, and once on the home screen, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left. Inside your profile section, go to the top right and tap on Settings. In the expanded menu, click on Redemption Code. Now, enter the redemption code you have. Make sure to type it down correct. And once you are done, click on OK. If the code is valid, a confirmation message will appear and the rewards will be credited to your account. So that's how you easily redeem your code on Mobile Legends Bang Bang. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.